Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the US VPN service that I use. I've been using it for a few years now, and it comes after a long search, really, going through free proxies, free VPNs, although there's not many of those around, and different hacks and tools that you can find online. And this is the one I've ended up on, basically through a combination of looking for the best security, best speed, and the most reliability. Okay, now just so you know, a VPN basically is a way of securing your internet connection. It basically encrypts everything you do online. So a lot of people use it for security. If they're I use it for traveling, so I can log on to my bank account from a hotel Wi-Fi or a coffee shop or something like that without worrying. And I also use it to watch different TV programs online through that are normally restricted based on your location. So most of the best US websites are fine if you're in the USA, but if you're outside the country, they won't work. What will happen is you'll get this message. This is from Hulu, and it basically says, sorry, your video library can only be watched from the United States. Basically, it looks up your IP address. At the moment, I'm not in the US, so it sees I can't access it. So it sees I'm not in the USA and blocks access. So, use a VPN. So I'm going to fire up my VPN program and just show you to do a demonstration of it. It's called Identity Cloaker. Although it's a VPN, it actually uses something slightly different. It uses an SSH tunnel, but it's effectively the same, but it gives the program some more flexibility and some advanced security features. If you just want to use it for video and stuff like that, it's kind of not really required, but it's there if you want it. You've got the ability, for instance, to turn off the encryption or change the level of encryption. I'll put it on none for the moment because I'm going to demonstrate how to use it to access Hulu, just as a demonstration. Right, you can see this is the little front end of it. It sits in the taskbar. You can also use this program on your smartphone, Android, or Apple. Works perfectly well. You can't use this. They have got some software, but I find it easier just to set the VPN manually. I've got some other videos I'll put links to show you how to do that. Right, and you can see basically if you pay a small subscription, it's a few bucks a month, and you get access to the software, and all the servers are included. So my most used ones are France, because I'm trying to learn French, and I help if I watch The Simpsons on a French TV channel. It kind of helps my vocabulary. The UK, I use a lot because I watch the BBC and British TV stations. I sometimes watch Canadian TV. There's some good shows on Canadian TV. And of course, USA I use for mainly Hulu, to be honest. Although I do use Pandora, which is an online jukebox. Again, restricted onto the US. Right, so I showed you me being blocked getting to Hulu. I'm just going to click on that now. Basically, I've now got a VPN set to a US server. This one's in New Jersey. So I just minimize that. I'm now surfing through an American VPN. Okay, let me just start this now. Just to demonstrate, we'll go back to Hulu now. But you can see before I was blocked. Let me just see if I can. I don't get the message on the front page, but let me show you it actually playing, just so you can show one of the examples, advantages of this program, and indeed to paid VPNs anyway, is they're fast. Some of the free, although they aren't free VPNs, there are free proxies. You can see this works really well. You've still got to watch the adverts, but I'm just going to stop it there. And basically it works pretty much seamlessly. If I want to go to another, the UK, maybe I want to watch the BBC or I want to watch Canadian TVs, I just fire up the program again. Where will we? Fire up Identity Cloaker. and just switch to a Canadian or a UK server, whichever I need. I don't need to log off, I don't need to reboot, anything like that. Super fast, super secure. I mean, it's a security program, really. They don't advertise all this stuff because it's safer, and the ones that advertise TV functionality tend to get locked down and shut down by copyright infringement notices and stuff like that. But this is primarily a security program. So that's basically it. It's the US VPN service that I use. I can thoroughly recommend it. And there is a discount code I'll put up on this video if you want to try it. It works on all of the subscriptions, apart from the trial. There's a short trial account which costs a few dollars that works for 10 days. The discount doesn't work on that. But try it on the trial and then come and use the discount if you want to take it further. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll leave now. Goodbye for now.